Today we learn about birds' names. Let's start it. Sparrow. This is Sparrow. Sparrow. This is Sparrow. Crow. This is Crow. Crow. This is Crow. Duck. This is Duck. Duck. This is Duck. Swan. This is Swan. Swan. This is Swan. Crane. This is Crane. Crane. This is Crane. Myna. This is Myna. Myna. This is Myna. Robin. This is Robin. Robin. This is Robin. Cardinal. This is Cardinal. Cardinal. This is Cardinal. Hummingbird. This is Hummingbird. Hummingbird. This is Hummingbird. Woodpecker. This is Woodpecker. Woodpecker. This is Woodpecker. Toucan. This is Toucan. Toucan. This is Toucan. Flamingo. This is Flamingo. Flamingo. This is Flamingo. Ostrich. This is Ostrich. Ostrich. This is Ostrich. Eagle. This is Eagle. Eagle. This is Eagle. Hawk. This is Hawk. Hawk. This is Hawk. Dove. This is Dove. Dove. This is Dove. Bulbul. This is Bulbul. Bulbul. This is Bulbul. Thanks for watching this video.